Hold on. Before you reach for your wash mitt, let me drop a truth bomb. Your old bucket and sponge wash is killing your paint. Seriously, dragging a dirty mitt across your car's clear coat is the #1 cause of those nasty spiderweb-like swirl marks that ruin your shine. And I know what you're thinking. I've been doing this forever, and it works fine. But trust me, it's silently damaging your finish every single wash. But here's the good news. There's a tool that changes the game entirely. Enter the foam gun, a sud-slinging beast that coats your car in a thick, dirt-lifting blanket of snow foam, encapsulating grime before your mitt even touches the paint. We spent hours testing dozens of foam applicators, scoured Amazon reviews, and boiled it down to the 6 absolute best foam guns you can buy right now. From hose-fed garden favorites to pressure washer cannons and even cordless electric units. We're putting them head-to-head, feature by feature, so you know exactly where to spend your money to keep your ride flawless, scratch-free, and looking showroom-ready. All the links are in the description, so you can grab the right one for your setup while we dive in. Let's get foamy. 6. Chemical Guys Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon, the wide-open warrior. Kicking things off, the Chemical Guys Big Mouth Max Release lives up to its name. The huge 34-ounce canister makes mixing thick soap virtually mess-free, a godsend if you've ever spilled expensive car wash solution all over the garage floor. Compared to the narrow bottles on budget options like Tool Daily or Amazon Basics, this wide mouth is instant relief for anyone tired of fumbling with refills. Designed for pressure washers, it works even with low PSI units around 800 PSI, giving a thick shaving cream-like foam that clings to your paint longer than many competitors, allowing for maximum dwell time and protection during the pre-wash. The Easy Adjust foam knob and full flow technology nozzle lets you switch between a wide fan for SUVs or concentrated jets for wheels and rocker panels, offering more versatility than most models in this range. The build quality is premium. Durable brass and stainless steel fittings outperform the mostly plastic construction on hose-fed units like Foam King or SwiftJet. Downsides? Pricey, and it consumes more soap than smaller units if you want that ultra-thick foam. But the ease of use and performance make it worth it for serious detailing enthusiasts. Who it's for? Pressure washer owners with large vehicles. Anyone who values superior foam density, easy refills, and adjustability. 5. Foam King Car Wash Foam Gun, the hose powerhouse. Not everyone has a pressure washer, and that's where Foam King shines. This hose-fed foam gun plugs straight into your garden hose with zero extra equipment, offering massive convenience. Perfect for apartment dwellers or casual washers. It instantly applies a lubricating foam layer, lifting dirt and minimizing swirl marks. While it can't match the ultra-thick foam of pressure washer cannons, it still produces rich, clinging lather, especially on regular maintenance washes. Machined brass fittings prevent leaks, and a 6-level dilution dial lets you conserve soap. Quick-release coupling makes transitions from foaming to rinse seamless. The trade-off: maximum foam thickness is limited by your garden hose pressure, and heavy soap usage is needed for the densest lather. But the ease of use wins for most casual washers. Who it's for? Apartment washers, beginners, or anyone prioritizing convenience and portability over maximum foam density. 4. Tool Daily Foam Cannon, the budget all-star. Now, let's talk budget performance. The Tool Daily Foam Cannon proves you don't need to break the bank for quality foam. It's a pressure washer attachment with a 34-ounce bottle, brass manifold, and 5 nozzle tips, giving superior customization compared to Amazon Basics. The included 1.1mm orifice is a hidden gem, allowing low GPM electric washers to produce thicker foam, rivaling pricier competitors. While the bottle refill is a little messier than the big mouth, you gain incredible value for the price, making it perfect for weekend detailers or newbies who want near-professional results without spending hundreds. Who it's for: budget-conscious enthusiasts, pressure washer owners, or anyone wanting high-quality foam without premium cost. 3. SwiftJet Car Wash Foam Gun, the Starter Kit Specialist. SwiftJet is a hose-fed starter kit with a major value add. It comes with a microfiber wash mitt. One purchase, and you're ready to go. The ergonomic anti-skid handle reduces hand fatigue, and machined brass fittings prevent leaks. Performance is similar to Foam King, producing rich, lubricating lather, though not as dense as high-pressure cannons. What sets it apart is convenience and immediate usability, great for beginners or those who want an all-in-one package without buying extra accessories. Who it's for: beginners, casual washers, or anyone wanting a ready-to-use kit, with foam gun and mitt included. 2. Amazon Basics Foam Cannon, the unbeatable value. For those with a pressure washer on a budget, Amazon Basics offers the essentials at rock-bottom cost: brass construction, universal connector, and adjustable spray cover all the basics. It's simple and effective, producing dense foam depending on your washer's PSI and GPM. Lacks extra nozzles or wide-mouth convenience, but the trade-off is incredible affordability. Perfect as a secondary cannon for wheels or smaller jobs. Who it's for: budget-conscious pressure washer owners, first-time detailers, or anyone wanting solid performance at the lowest possible cost. 1. itutn Electric Foam Sprayer Car Wash, the cordless game changer. Finally, the itutn Electric Foam Sprayer is a cordless, battery-powered marvel. No hoses, no pressure washers, just press a button, and a 2-liter bottle sprays rich foam across your car. Portable, quiet, and perfect for apartment garages or mobile detailing. It won't produce ultra-thick shaving cream foam like a high-pressure cannon, but the wetter, consistent lather provides excellent lubrication and eliminates arm fatigue from pumping traditional units. Rechargeable via USB-C, it's ready for multiple cars per charge. Who it's for: apartment dwellers, mobile detailers, or anyone needing cordless freedom and convenience. Final verdict and call to action. Quick summary: maximum foam and features, chemical guys, big mouth, total convenience, no pressure washer. Foam King budget, performance, tool daily portability, and cordless freedom. itutn electric sprayer. Switching to a foam pre-wash is the single best thing you can do for your car's paint. Protect your finish, save time, and minimize swirl marks. If this video helped you keep your car looking flawless, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. All links are in the description. Go grab the foam gun that fits your car. Budget and lifestyle. Which one are you buying today? Drop a comment below. I want to hear your top pick.